Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to solve this problem from the University of Houston Math Contest for Algebra 1 students. Alright, question A. There are two different geometric sequences with A1 equals 5 and A3 equals 8. We need to solve for A7. Alright, so we have the explicit formula for the geometric sequence. It's going to be AN equals A1 times R to the n minus 1. R is the common ratio. A1 is the first term. AN is the nth term. Alright, so we just substitute 5 for A1, 8 for A3. Alright, so substitute 3 for n right here. Alright, so we have A3 equals A1 times R to the 3 minus 1, which is R squared. Alright, now A3 equals 8. A1 equals 5 times R squared. So R squared equals 8 over 5. Now you take square root both sides, so it turns out to be R equals plus and minus root 8 over root 5. Now you need to radicalize the denominators by multiplying the top and bottom by root 5. Alright, so it turns out to be plus and minus root 40 over 5. Root 40, which is 4 times 10. Alright, 4, you take square root of 4, it's going to be 2. So it's going to be plus and minus 2 root 10 over 5. Alright, so you have two sequences. Alright, the first sequence is going to be AN equals A1. A1 equals 5 right here. So it's going to be 5 times parenthesis 2 root 10 over 5 to the n minus 1. And the second sequence is going to be AN equals 5 times negative 2 root 10 over 5 to the n minus 1. Now we need to solve for A7, right? So it could be A7. So you substitute 7 for n. So it could be 5 times 2 root 10 over 5 to the. Now 7 subtract 1 is going to be 6. So in this situation, it doesn't matter what sequence you're going to use. This guy is still positive because you raise to the even power. Alright, so the negative side is gone. Alright, so it's going to be 5, 12 over 25. Now, question B. An arithmetic sequence contains the term A2 equals 4 and A5 equals 7. Alright, so you have the explicit formula for arithmetic sequence. It's going to be AN equals A1 plus n minus 1 times d, okay, where d is the common difference. A1 is the first term, an is the nth term. Alright, so you look at this one, you see that A2 equals 4, right? A5 equals 7. Substitute 2 for n, right? So it could be A2 equals A1 plus 2 minus 1 times D. Alright, so it's going to be A1 plus D. Now, A5 equals A1 plus 5 minus 1 times D. So it's going to be A1 plus 40. Alright, now we're going to solve for D. So we're going to subtract the first equation right here from the second equation. Alright, so A5 subtract A2, which is 7 subtract 4 right here. It's going to be 3 equals A1 subtract A1 right here. It's cancelled out. 40 subtract D is going to be 3D. D equals 3 divided by 3 is going to be 1. So the common difference equals 1. You substitute D equals 1 back to the second equation right here. Alright, you solve for A1. So you have A5, A5 equals 7. I have 7 equals A1 plus 4 times D, D equals 1. So you solve A1 equals 7 minus 4 is going to be 3. Alright, so you substitute A1 equals 3 and D equals 1 into the first equation right here. So you have the formula, it's going to be AN equals 3 plus N minus 1. So it's going to be N plus 2. Alright, now you need to solve for A7. Alright, so I have A7 equals 7 plus 2 equals 9. And this is the final answer. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.